welcome back to my channel, Be More on Life, where we get these recipes going. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash the like, everything that's going to help the channel grow. Go ahead and do it for your girl. I really appreciate it. Today we are going to be making some creole, but not just any creole. We're going to be making okra, shrimp, chicken, and sausage creole, okay? I know y'all see the ingredients. It's about to be delicious. Let's get into it. So we're going to be having that okra, you know what I'm saying? We're going to be having that wild Gulf shrimp, you know what I'm saying? I got 2 bags of that. I love me some shrimp. We also have the turkey smoked sausage, which is skinless, so it's not pork at all. So yeah, I love that brand. I love the turkey sausage. Also, we gonna be doing a little bit of that crayfish seasoning. I like that. It's an African product. I get it at, you know, my local store. Also, we got the chicken thighs. Like, if you can't get a hold of some chicken thighs, you can use chicken breast, but to me, them chicken thighs be tender, okay? Them chicken thighs be juicy, you know what I mean? So yeah, try to get you some chicken thighs, or you can use any type of chicken, it don't really matter. We got that chicken broth. We got our veggies. You know, you gotta have that onion, red onion, white onion. I'm just pretty much using what's in my fridge. Also, you got the green bell pepper, got the white rice. As far as the seasonings, we got onion powder, garlic powder, y'all already know. Black pepper. We got some minced garlic, you know what I mean? And back here in the back, we got that Cajun two-step, my boy. You know what I'm saying? Stale cracker. That's the fire kind too, you know, I like it spicy. We got that tomato paste. We got the tomato sauce. You know what I'm saying? And for a little bit more spice, we got some red pepper flakes. So, yes, guys, let's get into it. Let's start cooking, man. It's about to go down, y'all. All right, let's get it. So now we gonna cut up these chicken thighs. Y'all, when I tell y'all, y'all gonna want to use some chicken thighs because it's not gonna be good. Well, it's gonna be good, but you gotta use that tender meat, you know. Them thighs is always tender, baby, okay? So yeah, go ahead and chop them up into nice bite-sized pieces, because when you taking a bite, you don't want to have no big pieces of chicken. You want to get everything. You want to get a shrimp in every bite. You want to get a piece of chicken in every bite. You want to get some okra in every bite, a little bit of rice. So yeah, that's why I'm cutting them up like so. Yeah, there you have it. It's super easy, y'all. So now we're going to go ahead and cut up our vegetables. Y'all already know this part. I'm cutting up everything pretty fine. It's going to reduce down even more during the cooking process. We got our bell peppers, you know, we got our white onion. And don't ask me why I'm using 2 different onions. It's just what I had left. I want to use, you know, a lot of onion. Onion brings a lot of flavor. I cook a lot of meals with onion, so I like every color, you know, red, white, yellow, you know, don't really matter to me. They all taste the same, but I think, well, red is a little bit more flavorful, if I could say, and look how pretty that is. Okay, so now that we got our veggies chopped down, let's go ahead and chop up these sausages. And like I said before, it's skinless turkey sausage. I don't do the pork. So we're going to go ahead and get that okra boiling. That way it won't be crunchy. You know, just reduce it down some. You don't want to take all of the nutrients out of that okra. So right now I'm just adding half a bag. Next, we want to go ahead and cook that sausage, get it a nice little brown on it, you know, bring out that flavor of the smoked meat. Yes, it's going to be so good, y'all. Please try this recipe and let me know what y'all think. So we're gonna go in with that tomato sauce, and this is the base sauce of this dish. I will also be dropping in some tomato paste. Yes, the tomato paste is going to bring that extra rich tomato flavor, but it's not going to be overbearing, y'all. So don't feel like, oh, this is going to taste tomatoey. No. Well, all these different flavors is going to combine and make something beautiful, baby. A beautiful Creole delicacy. Okay? So, yeah, go ahead and drop that tomato paste in. And then we're also going to add some chicken broth. Okay. Yes, chicken broth. I don't want to use water because I want to maintain the flavor. I don't want to take away any of the flavor of this dish. So yes, we're going to go in with that chicken broth, baby. Yeah. Gotta have all of these ingredients. Don't skip out because it's not going to be the same. And then y'all going to be coming for me in the comments like, man, that stuff was nasty. It was bland. Nah. Put you some chicken broth. It's worth it. Put everything you see in the video into this dish. It's definitely worth it. Your family is gonna enjoy, baby. I promise you. So I know y'all see me do a lot of veggies, onion, garlic, but I also like to do the dry seasoning. It just adds more flavor in my opinion. So you see me going crazy with this onion powder right now. Definitely got to add the garlic powder as well. Thank me later. But yeah, it's going to add so much flavor, guys. Like, please don't skip out. Do everything that you see me doing in this video, like I said before. We're gonna add that black pepper. Y'all know I like some pepper in my food. The peppery, the better. I love me some spices, so you can do without any spice that I use. Just know it's not gonna be the same. And yeah, we're gonna go in with that crayfish seasoning. Gotta have that crayfish seasoning. Like I said, it's an African product. You can find this in pretty much a store near you. So yeah, we got those chicken thighs. We're gonna go ahead and go in with those, and these are gonna be so freaking juicy, y'all. When I tell y'all, you don't want to use breast, you don't want to use any other type of meat, not even the tenders. You just want to use the thighs because it's going to have that juiciness to it. Okay, them thighs had that juice, baby. All right, so let's go ahead and go in with that okra. Now, my pot is starting to get a little filled up. I don't really have much space, so I'm gonna end up transferring it over to another pot. So yeah, let's get all that worked in so it can combine with the flavors. And we're gonna go in with our red pepper flakes. Like I said, I like some spice, I like some heat, so yeah, there you have it. So let's go in next with that Gulf shrimp that has been deveined and peeled already. I be lazy, y'all. I'm a lazy cook. I like to do things the easy way, so I'd rather pay an extra $1 and get it already clean and good to go. So yeah, I'm going ahead and adding that, and that's 2 pounds of shrimp right there. I know, like, it's a lot of food, but like I said, my family is probably pretty much going to be eating on this as well. So that's why you see such a big portion. And we're going to go in with that smoked sausage that I already cooked down earlier in the video. I browned the sausage. It's going to bring that flavor out, that smoke flavor. Don't want to skip that step at all. So at this point, I can't even stir, so I have to transfer it over to a second pot. It should cook the same way. I'm going to have it on a low heat, and pretty much gonna let this just simmer down. Give y'all a quick update of this shrimp, chicken, and sausage okra creole. Man, look at that, y'all. Ooh-wee, baby. All that flavor. I know y'all seen everything I did to this. Man, it's finna go down, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. I had to put it in 2 pots. I made so much. I made some for family as well. So, yeah. Looking good, y'all. Ooh-wee, yes. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and plate this and take a bite and let y'all know what I think. I know it's gonna be good though. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and take a bite of this okra, shrimp, sausage, and chicken creole, baby. Oh my goodness. I have been waiting, y'all. I'm so hungry. Okay. Get a little shrimp, a little sausage, a little chicken on there, a little rice. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that shrimp hanging off that spoon. Okay, y'all. This off the chain. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Try this recipe. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Until then, be blessed. Be more on life, baby. Peace.